We've all learned this rule in school. If the sum of a number's digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 738. 7 plus 3 plus 8 equals 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so 738 is also divisible by 3. Simple enough. But here's the real question. Why does adding the digits have anything to do with division? It seems completely unrelated. How can adding digits tell us whether a number is divisible by 3? The answer turns out to be surprisingly elegant, and once you see it, you'll never have to memorize this rule again. Step 1. Stop looking at the number as one piece. Let's use the same number, 738. Most people see it as one number, but it isn't. It's actually made of place values. 738 is the same as 7 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 8 times 1. But now let's look at those place values. 100, 10, and 1. These three numbers hide the entire secret. Step 2. Look one number smaller. Instead of looking at 100, look at 99. Instead of looking at 10, look at 9. Why? Because both 99 and 9 are divisible by 3. Now notice something. 100 is simply 99 plus 1, and 10 is simply 9 plus 1. Let's replace them. 738 becomes 7 times open parenthesis 99 plus 1 close parenthesis, plus 3 times open parenthesis 9 plus 1 close parenthesis, plus 8. Nothing has changed. We've only rewritten the same number in a different way. Step 3. Expand it. Now multiply everything out. You get 7 times 99 plus 7 plus 3 times 9 plus 3 plus 8. Now group the terms. One group contains 7 times 99 and 3 times 9. The other group contains 7 plus 3 plus 8. Here's the important observation. 99 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 3. That means the entire first group is automatically divisible by 3. It can never change whether the whole number is divisible by 3. So what's left? Just 7 plus 3 plus 8, which equals 18. And since 18 is divisible by 3, 738 must also be divisible by 3. That's the entire rule. No magic, no coincidence, just place value. Step 4. Let's test it again. Now let's see if this always works. Take the number 4,521. Write it using place values. 4 times 1,000 plus 5 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 1. Now rewrite each place value. 1,000 is 999 plus 1. 100 is 99 plus 1. 10 is 9 plus 1. Now expand the brackets. Again, 999, 99, and 9 are all divisible by 3. So every one of those parts disappears when we're checking divisibility by 3. What's left? 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so 4,521 is also divisible by 3. The rule works perfectly. The hidden pattern. Now something interesting should stand out. 10 is 9 plus 1. 100 is 99 plus 1. 1,000 is 999 plus 1. 10,000 is 9,999 plus 1. Every power of 10 is exactly one more than a multiple of 3. And that's why every place value eventually turns into the digit itself. Once all the multiples of 3 are removed, the only thing left is the sum of the digits. That's the real reason the rule works. The divisibility rule for 3 isn't something mathematicians invented, it's something they discovered. It comes directly from the way our decimal number system is built. Every place value is just one more than a multiple of 3. So when you break a number apart, all those multiples of 3 fade away, and only the sum of the digits remains. That's the difference between memorizing mathematics and understanding it. Once you understand the pattern, the rule becomes impossible to forget. If you want more of these, the kind of mental math moves that make you look like you're doing something impossible in your head, you're in the right place. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.